Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change door paint. First, gather your supplies like sandpaper, primer, and paint. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your door with a degreaser to remove any dirt or grease. Next, carefully remove all hardware, including hinges, handles, and any decorative elements. Then, lightly sand the entire door surface with 180 grit sandpaper to create a smooth base. Finally, fill any imperfections with wood filler and allow it to dry completely. Now that your door is prepped, it's time to prime. Apply a high-quality primer evenly across the entire door surface. Use a brush for detailed areas and a roller for larger, flat sections to ensure smooth coverage. This step is crucial for paint adhesion and a professional finish. Allow the primer to dry completely, typically for 2 to 4 hours, before moving on. Lightly sand the primed surface with 220 grit sandpaper for optimal results. With your door primed, it's time for the top coat. Select a durable paint, like a semi-gloss or satin finish, which is ideal for doors. Apply the first coat of paint using a high-quality brush or roller, ensuring even coverage. Work in smooth, consistent strokes to avoid drips or heavy brush marks. This initial layer sets the foundation for your desired color. Allow the first coat to dry for at least 4 to 6 hours before applying the next. For a flawless finish, apply a second, thin coat of paint, ensuring optimal color and durability. Once the final coat is applied, allow it to cure for 24 to 48 hours before handling. This curing time is essential for the paint to harden properly. Finally, reattach all hardware, including hinges, handles, and any decorative pieces. Carefully rehang the door, ensuring proper alignment and smooth operation for a beautifully transformed entrance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.